In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to cash. This process involves transferring your cryptocurrency to a crypto exchange, selling it, and then withdrawing the funds to your bank account or debit card. Start by locating the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Once you open the app, you will be directed to your wallet dashboard. Ensure that you have the appropriate cryptocurrency such as Solana available in your wallet for this process to proceed. Next, you need to send your cryptocurrency to a crypto exchange. Choose a platform like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. Navigate to the exchange's website or app and create an account. If you do not have one, log into your account to access the main interface of the exchange. Once you are logged into the exchange, look for the option to deposit funds. This is usually located in the account or funds section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, such as Solana. The exchange will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Return to the Phantom Wallet app and find the option to send or transfer your cryptocurrency. Paste the deposit address from the exchange into the recipient field. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Ensure that you double check the address, as sending to the wrong address can result in a loss of funds. After confirming the details, proceed with the transaction. Now, you will need to wait for the cryptocurrency to arrive in your exchange account. The duration of this process can vary depending on network congestion and transaction fees. You can monitor the transaction status in your Phantom Wallet under the activity section. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation in the exchange. After the crypto has successfully arrived in your exchange account, you can sell it for USD or your local currency. Navigate to the trading section of the exchange, select the trading pair that matches your cryptocurrency, and choose the option to sell. Follow the prompts to complete the sale, and you will see the equivalent amount in cash reflected in your exchange account. Finally, to withdraw the money to your bank account or debit card, go to the withdraw section of the exchange, select the option to withdraw cash, and choose your preferred withdrawal method. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and provide the necessary banking details, confirm the withdrawal request, and the funds will be processed according to the exchange's timelines. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.